please be friendly, bro. Please be friendly. Or at least don't be a dickhead. That's all I'm asking for. Please, man. Please. He looks cool.
You're tarnished.
I am.
I can see it. And I can also see that you're not after my throat.
I'm cool, man.
Then why not purchase a little something?
What you got?
I am Kale. The land has been tainted by madness since the shattering of
madness?
the Elden Ring.
Back up, back up, back up. Madness? You're not gonna tell me more? Fuck it, I'll buy some. Excuse me, sir?
Hey!
Fuck! Why they act like they can't hear in this world? Excuse me, sir?
Hey!
Oh my god, dude. Oh, how you doing, sir? 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 Okay. Okay. Sir, I just want directions! Go. Sir! I just wanted directions! Can you point me to where Stormvale Castle is, please? I don't want to kick. Whoa, wrong weapon. Sir, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Just give me directions, please. Okay. Well, you gotta die. No. I'm tired of playing easy, fucking assholes. Die. You dick. Oh no, no, I'm not going that way, bro. I'm definitely not going that way. Bro, it just started raining again. Shit. Fuck it, we're gonna go around. Stormvale. I think Stormvale is that way. You know what? We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back because I do not want to fight these people, bro. No, I'm not fighting these people. What is this? This big sword. It looks... I don't know. Something's drawing me towards it. What the fuck is that? He doesn't look friendly. He's trying. No, he doesn't see me. Godrick the Golden, humiliated, having tasted defeat by the blade of Mikola, now on his knees begging for mercy. This Godrick sounds like a bitch. The Blades of Mikola. Who the fuck is that? That's a cool name. that's a tough name. That's such a cool name. It's fucking pouring in this bitch. Oh god, please be cool, guys. Who the fuck said that?
Could you help us out, Cully?
Hello? Who said that?
You?
What?
Yeah, you there. Stop pretending you can't see me.
Who the fuck? Who the fuck is talking?
Why won't anyone look me in the eye? I'm not that ugly, am I?
You? Whoa! What the fuck?
What'd you go and do that for?
Who are you, dude? You a monkey man?
Oh, yes. I remember.
What
Some
the
clod
fuck is
turned
going
me into
on
a
here?
tree. You were just breaking the spell, weren't you? Thank you. The name's Bok.
Nice to meet you,
I was
Bok.
pushed out of the cave. Told not to come back. Not ever.
What cave?
And I ended up as a tree. Lucky you came along, really.
What cave?
Oh, what a shame.
Bok.
When they threw me out of the cave,
Bok, I know you
they
hear
took
me.
everything I owned. And so this is all I have
You
to
gonna ignore me?
express my thanks.
Okay, fuck it.
I hope you can forgive me.
Oh, thank you. A mushroom. I'm good. I don't want to take those.
Or, well, if you can afford to wait for a while, I could sneak back into the cave and bring back something of actual value.
If you want to.
And I'd be of some real use to you, I reckon.
Oh, thanks, man. You didn't have to, but okay, sure.
Right.
Who the fuck are these assholes? Please be cool, bro. Please be cool. Nah, I doubt it. They do not look alive. Okay, yeah. Hello? Whoa, 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 whoa. We cool? We cool? We cool? Hey, y'all cool? We cool, bro. Whoa, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Chill out, bro. I ain't gonna attack. You cool? Let me just get past you. 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 Alright, we cool, we cool, we cool. America again, bro. This bitch is everywhere. Oh god, please don't be an asshole, bro. Well, looks like you gotta fucking die. Ooh, you and your friends. We can fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Bitch. You cool? Nah, you want some too. Come on, let me get some. Oh, that hurt. Bitch. Die. That didn't do anything. That shit is weak. Ow, that hurt, dude. Dude, I had no beef with you. Come here, you fuck. Ah, you lucky I fucking missed it. Yeah, keep running to it, dumb. Fucking idiot. Horse, get the fuck out of here. That is a lot. That is a big lake. I wonder what's down there. Is that a crab? Bro, I gotta get closer. That's a fucking crab. Look how tiny it looks. That one looks pretty. Look at all those trees. They look so cute. So nice. God, the herb tree is fucking beautiful. I just sometimes gotta stand and just look at it, bro. That shit is gorgeous. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. What the hell is that? You know what? I ain't no bitch. 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 I'm good. Okay. Please be cool. Please be cool. I have a weapon. I'm not afraid to use it. Okay. You're cool. Okay. 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 Thank you. Oh, these fucking guys. I'm just trying to get by. I'm just trying to get by. Okay. We're cool. We're cool. We're cool. We're cool. Ooh. 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 You. Not one of you guys again. Die. Come here, you fuck. Always trying to fight me. Who are you? You want some? You want some? Die. Who else? Who else? You have a staff. I don't like that. Okay, you guys want to fuck with me, right? Y'all want to fuck with me? Ooh, bitch. Die. Everyone has to die. Everyone has to die. Oh, you got shield? You think you big and bad? No. Everyone has to die. Shut that shit up. Die, nigga. Bitch. They tried it. I didn't want to kill everyone. They tried me. It felt kind of good, though. It felt good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Die. What? Ooh. Fall back. Die. You almost had me. I need these knives. Die. Cool. Fall back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Fall back. I ain't gonna hold you. Something's drawing me to this lake, man. Something's drawing me to it. Oh, those crabs again. Look how cute they are. A turtle. Hi, friend. You're a nice turtle. We're cool. I'm not gonna attack you. We're fine. Do your thing. Here we go. That crab is a lot bigger than I thought it was, actually. Now that I look at it. Let's be prepared. What the fuck? But yeah, I'm not going that way. Fuck. Slippery. Whew. Why am I going to this crab? I don't know. It's just something. It looks so cool. It's raining again. What the fuck, bro? Why is it always raining here? Okay, you're a lot uglier up close. Be cool. Be cool. Be cool. Be cool. Be cool. Okay. You have to die now. You tried it. I just wanted to admire you from afar, but you want to fuck me. Die. Fuck face. What's over here? Ruins? The fuck? Oh god, I see fire. Oh god, who are these people, man? I'm dead. Die. Dog! Some type of dog. Die. 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 Oh, dog. How did dog do more damage than the fucking people here? You guys. Disgust me. What's down here? A crypt? What the fuck is this? I don't do big rats. Why are you rats? Y'all eating? What the fuck y'all doing down here? Trap. You know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna actually take their advice. You know what? No, fuck it. I'm gonna do it. I ain't no bitch. I ain't no bitch. I ain't no bitch. Oh, and it was a trap. I can't move. Okay, no, please. I can't move. No.